Good afternoon, I'm Jeff. I'm a Sewer Tech Northwest. Today we're at property address 251 West 8th Street here in Lafayette. We're located inside I believe it's the master bathroom. We have pulled the toilet, going through the 3-inch ABS flange here, so it'll be our point of access. I'm going to insert the camera and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer line. We currently have water running. Here we go. Okay, we just had to pause the camera there for a moment. I had to tie string to the camera to bend it down through that Y connection, and we just dropped into there. So anyway, we're going to continue on here. If you see a green string being drug around by the camera, that's just the string on the camera. Transitions here to schedule 3034 PVC pipe. Appears to be 4-inch pipe. Here at 99 feet, this is as far as the camera's able to go. It's getting kind of hung up on this last edge here. But given the distance from the street, we've got to be way out into the road at this point. So I'm going to go locate, and we'll let the line drain out here for a few minutes. There is some standing water in the line we'll want to assess on the way back. Alrighty, I located the camera head successfully, and from the front of the house, we're only actually about 20 feet out. We're right next to the manhole that's straight out from the home, maybe 20 feet. So anyway, we're going to reel back here. It looks like it's about 2 feet from hitting the main lateral. As far as I can tell, it's about 2 feet from the manhole cover anyway. Okay, we're here at about 76 feet, 77 feet. We're pushing a lot of toilet paper around. There was a ton of debris built up here on the way out, and we're kind of seeing the remnants of that. We pushed a lot of debris around. So we're going to try and move that with the toilet flush. There it does appear to be a belly here on the line, though, so we're trying to get an accurate look at that, trying to get the toilet paper out of the way. And we've just done a toilet flush here, so we'll see if that's able to even push through this belly here. We've done a couple or 3 toilet flushes now to try and move this debris. It does appear we have a belly here regardless. What's hard to tell is if this toilet paper is damming up the pipe and making the belly larger than it actually is. It's having a hard time getting it moved out of the way. The belly here is slowing down the flush enough that it's coming through pretty weakly by this point. Okay, well either way, unfortunately I can't get that moved out of the way. There is some space there on the right side of that debris where water should be able to drain past it, so it does look like this is where the belly ends at. And I located this spot. This is about 6 inches into the driveway. It's about 4.5 feet deep here. I'm going to go ahead and reel the camera back to the beginning of the belly and we'll locate that. As I'm pulling back through the water here, I'm pulling back very quickly to try and get the water to suck down below the camera lens. In this situation, it's not doing that, which generally indicates you have at least 2 inches of standing water here. So we've got 2 inches plus standing